lonesome bird upon the roof, the whispers to the wandering breeze. Inside that place lives one in space, and yet I heard a voice with bees. And then the breeze around the door speaks to the bird upon the top. Out there's a man who left her hand. She speaks the word, the broken star. How can a heart just fly away? Leave behind the love in you. We find a mate, we always stay, through the storm and through the blue. Men may wander, men may stray, break the vows they swore to keep. But when we love to stay, even when the skies are deep. Oh, little one, you do not see, among the men love's like the wind, here today then wild and free. Never meant to stay all blind. You hold your heart, you keep your vow, through every storm, through thick and thin. But men like me, they